In section 3.4 here, we're going to learn the addition rule and also mutually exclusive events. So the addition rule here tells us how to find the probability of a union. And in order to do that, you add the probabilities of the two given events, A and B, and you subtract out the overlap. And then if there is no overlap here, then we call those events mutually exclusive. So that means A intersect B is the empty set. There's no sample points that they have in common. And if that happens, then this term is equal to 0, and our addition rule becomes just probability of A plus probability of B. So let's look back at this data that we had on major versus degree here. And we want to find the probability of B union MA, so biology major or they got a master's degree. So from the addition rule, this is going to be the probability they were a bio major plus the probability that they got an MA. And then you subtract out any overlap. So probability they were a bio major and they got an MA. So our bio majors are here. There were 28 out of 78, and our MAs were here. There were 23 out of 78, but that 12 got counted twice. One's for the bio majors, one's for the master's degrees. So this is subtracting out the double counting. So our probability of biology major, 28 out of 78. And then plus the master's degree was the 23 out of 78. And then we subtract out our double counting, that 12 got counted twice. So minus 12 out of 78. So that leaves us 39 out of 78. Oh, what about the probability of B union C? So our biology majors, B right there, and then our chem majors, C right there. Well, there's no overlap between these, so we're going to add the two probabilities together, and we don't have any overlap to subtract out. So that's this case. Those events are mutually exclusive. There is no overlap. So we're just going to do the probability of a bio major plus probability of chem major. So that's going to be our 28 out of 78, because we had a total of 28 bio majors here, and then 17 out of 78 for the chem. So that's 45 out of 78. And then how about biology major or not a master's degree? So biology majors or not a master's. So biology majors are right here. And then master's degrees is the middle column. Not a master's degree would be doctorate or bachelor's. So what we want to do here using union rule, this will be probability they got a bio degree plus the probability that they did not get a master's degree. So master's complement. And then we subtract out the overlap, biology and not a master's. So our biology is 28 out of 78, right? Biology, first row, 28 out of 78, plus not a master's degree. So we had 39 there that did not get master's and 16 more there. So 39 plus 16. Out of 78, it's going to be the probability of that sample point. And then we subtract out the overlap, biology and not a master's, which is the 8 and 8. Those are circled twice. So minus 8 plus 8 out of the 78. So that is 67 out of 78 if you do that on the calculator.